Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Today we are in Washington and we're currently at the James Steele Park Nature Trail. This place. So let's go check it out. This is where we're currently stood. Nothing but silence. I've already seen one squirrel and I've only just entered through that underpass. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So as we're walking down this trail, the sun's came out. So it looks like the weather's going to be getting a lot better as we keep walking. The sky's looking good. Well, it's looking a lot better. It was very cold when I was on my way here, but at least it's starting to brighten up and get a little bit warmer. Is this the start of good weather? I doubt it, but at least we've got sun today, and at least we had it yesterday. So let's continue walking through this trail. I'll show you what. Back that way was where we saw the sign that had Marker 2 on it. Anyways, let's carry on. So we've spotted another one of these signs. Marker 3, this one. From where Marker 3, looking back over the pond, you may in winter see goose and duck in small numbers, and on summer evens. Dewar-benton bats can be seen feeding low over the water. Then from here, head along the main footpath to the meadow, where in summer a range of beautiful butterfly and moth species can be found. This is what you can find around this area. So let's carry on. There's a little pond. Let's keep moving. Check this. Patterson South Pond, that is the name of this place. It's actually quite big. This lad seems to be following me. I never have any luck with swans. I tell you, I need to stay away from these places like. Last time, when I was at the wetland centre, I nearly got attacked by the black swan when I was crossing the bridge, and then now that white swan after us. Swan just mustn't like me. I seem to be a target. Anyway, we've got two ways we can go. We can either go up this way or this way. We'll go this way. See what's down here. He's turned around now. This is a view that I've got. With the pond through the trees over there. Let's continue. So this is marker 5 From Weir Marker 5, head back along the C2C cycle path to the start point, and on your way look out for birds such as bullfinch, kestrel, great spotted woodpecker, robin, dunnock and sparrowhawk. So if you see any of these during the video, let us know. This is what they look like. Anyways, let's continue. It's very slippy on that part. I don't know how many times in videos when I come to places like this I've nearly slipped. Must be racking them up now. The sun is really coming out now, so that's good. Let's continue on down this trail. If there's any places that you would like us to visit, either in Washington, Sunderland, wherever, pretty much anywhere in the northeast, let us know, put it in the comments and I'll do a vlog there. I have got a lot of ideas of where I want to go to make some content, so in the coming videos I will be going to them places. Some of them take longer than others and a bit more planning, but I'll definitely be travelling around a lot and making a lot of content for you, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, there's literally nothing but trees around. Not very many people except dog walkers, so let's continue down the footpath and we'll see what else we'll find. So we came through that underpass that I showed you earlier, and we've came through the forest that was on the other side of it, and it's led us here to this long road. So we may as well walk down here and see if it's out down there. Another very peaceful place, very quiet. I hope there's something down here, to be honest. There's a bridge that I can see peeking through the trees, so it's looking a little bit promising, I guess. Let's hope we can find something. Check out the view that we have. So we've continued walking on that path that we were on, and this is where it's took us, the Tail Farm Nature Trail. This place was created in 2014-15 by Tail Farm Residents Association to encourage local residents to enjoy the beautiful area around Tail Farm. Our 2 kilometre figure of 8 trail is a great way to enjoy gentle exercise and get closer to nature. Enjoy scenic views of Pension Monument and the River Wear. Marvel at our beautiful owl sculptures and see if you can spot birds, bats, deers and other small mammals in the woods. Check this sign out. This is where we are. Let's keep moving. From that way through that underpass, and then that's when we saw that sign there. So hopefully there's more to explore up here, but we're gonna have a look, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, we're here, and just look at this view. Incredible. The sun's out, the water's looking good. It's quiet. Amazing, like, what a view. Let's continue down this path. I did stop off at Sainsbury's to get a little scran, a little something to eat, because I was absolutely starving. So we stopped off there before I came here. But wow, it's opening up as well. Look at that. How peaceful. And I actually spoke to someone, and she told us where this place was. So thanks to that person, we found it, because I couldn't find it. But we're here now, and the views just get better as you're walking along. If you like nature and you like to get out and about and explore, I recommend this place to you. Also, if you enjoy watching these nature videos and me coming to places like this, let us know in the comments and I'll do more of them. Let's keep it moving. Right guys, I'm back home now, so I think I'm going to end the vlog there. I know it's been a bit of a slow one and more of like a nature vlog today, but I wanted to get out and create content for you as I didn't want to leave you with now to watch. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.